Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload your resume on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, once your resume is uploaded, you can apply to jobs much faster with just one click. First, open the Indeed app or website and log into your account. You'll need to be signed in before you can upload or manage your resume. Next, click on your profile icon, usually at the top corner of the screen, and go to the resume section. Now tap or click the Upload Resume button. You can upload a file directly from your device like a PDF or Word document. Choose your resume file from your phone or computer. Make sure the file is updated and properly formatted before uploading. After selecting your file, confirm the upload. Yeah, Indeed will process your resume and add it to your profile automatically. If you have multiple resumes, you can set one as your primary resume. So this will be the one used when you apply for jobs quickly. Now your resume is ready to use. When you apply for jobs, you can select this saved resume and apply in just a few clicks. And that's how to upload your resume on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this helps you apply for jobs faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.